What's up? Kara Ray here, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you returning subscribers, and for those of you that are new to my channel, hi, my name is Kara Ray, and I would love for you to stick around. Make sure you click that subscribe button down below and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss my next upload. Today's video is going to be a skincare video, and it has everything to do with light therapy for your face. So if you guys are interested to see what this is all about, then make sure you keep on watching. We love a good skincare video here on my channel. I know I am super obsessed and into skincare. It's just really important to take care of your skin, okay? Light therapy was always something I was interested in. When I was contacted by this company, I was really excited to hear what they were offering, just because it is a at-home light therapy mask that you and I can use just sitting in bed or watching TV on the couch, and that really intrigued me. I want to unbox the mask with you guys. This is gonna be my first time trying the mask. I will state a disclaimer. I am not a dermatologist, I'm not a doctor, I'm not any kind of health professional, so if you are leery about doing this type of stuff on your face, then I would definitely suggest going to see your dermatologist before you try anything like this. To kind of talk about what the mask is a little bit, this is the Project E Beauty Skin Rejuvenation LED Photon Mask, and this is what the box looks like. It has a mask and it also has a piece for your neck, so we're going to keep our necks looking rejuvenated as well as our face, which is really exciting. I also do want to quickly read some of the benefits of using this LED mask. It has 7 colors like I mentioned, and the LED colors are capable of rejuvenating your skin, improving your skin's elasticity, eliminating harmful bacteria, and reducing pigmentation. The weight of the mask is 50% lighter than this older version, so this is a new and improved product. And this unit also has a neck accessory like I mentioned, so you're also going to get the benefits of the LED therapy on your neck as well. And you can use this mask wirelessly, so it's going to be really comfortable to kind of just lay in bed or sit on the couch and watch TV and do your light therapy. I do want to read to you what these different levels of color do for your skin. The red light is one of the more powerful colors and increases blood circulation. It stimulates your skin cells to excrete collagen to achieve a firmer, smoother texture. The blue light is excellent and effective of curing acne. It kills bacteria and improves skin sensitivity levels. I think the blue light is what I'm going to be trying out with you guys today, just because my skin is going through it and it's been really obnoxious lately. The green light is anti-aging. It's going to smooth wrinkles and fine lines and cure wounds. The purple light is relaxing. It's going to improve lymph metabolism. There is cyan light, which is a gentle acne treatment, inflammation to your skin. The yellow light is going to improve microcirculation, adjust factors that inhibited melanin production. And the white light is just a mix. It's kind of relaxing, so it's probably something that you would only use if you're just trying to relax a little bit. Okay, so now let's open this up and see exactly what's in the box. This is legitimately the first time I've opened this mask, and I cannot. So like, I literally cannot. Like, this is kind of frightening. Like, this is what, whoop, this is what you see when you open the box. It's packaged really well. You have like foam at the top to kind of keep the mask secure. It comes with a pamphlet, which I'm sure gives it directions and further in-depth explanation of all the different levels of lights. And then you have the face piece of the mask, which is right here. And you also have, I got a lot going on. You also have the neck piece to the mask. So this is gonna go on your face and this is gonna go on your neck. I feel like I look super crazy and I haven't even put this thing on. Our little control panel. So this is going to be where you control the different lights, the different levels of lights, and there's also a timer, which is really handy if you're trying to give yourself a timed facial. You also have 2 earpieces. I'm assuming these attach to our mask. You have a hyaluronic acid serum from Project E Beauty. Hyaluronic acid is essential to hydrating your skin, so this is probably something you can use with the mask. You have this little piece, which is probably the neck piece. It attaches to the neck part of the mask. I'm assuming this is just the charger. So you have a USB cord and a charger port. And that's all that comes in the box. So I'm not gonna bore you with all the particulars of this pamphlet. It does give you directions on how to keep your mask clean, how to store your mask, where to store your mask, and all that good stuff. It also tells you how to set up everything. I'm gonna try to attach the temple part. And then this part, which is the neck part I'm holding right here, it also attaches really easy. I'm gonna leave this side open so when I put it on, I can strap it closed. It turns on. You're gonna go ahead and press this power button. Then you're gonna come over to the start stop button, and that is going to be what triggers your mask. So when you turn it on, your mask lights up, and you can just click through to the different colors to get the treatment that you're looking for. You can also intensify the mask by brightening the energy level of the mask. You can also add time to your timer. You can also turn down the energy if you wanted to do that as well, which is really cool. Like, this is a really cool mask. So I'm gonna wash off all of this makeup, and then I will be right back to give you guys a demo of the LED therapy mask. Alright guys, so I am back with a fresh, clean face. I went ahead and I cleansed and exfoliated my skin. I'm also using this witch hazel to tone my skin before applying the rest of my products. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my serums now. I actually am using 2 serums at the moment. I know it's a little bit extra, but in the colder months, I need a little bit of extra. So the first serum I like to go in with is the Youth Activating Concentrate by Lancome that pretty much everybody uses. My next serum is more for hydrating. So this one is the Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. I just kind of do like a pump and a half of the Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra. I'm not going to apply my moisturizer until after I'm done with the mask, but let's go ahead and try this out together. I have the mask right here. I'm going to attach the face part first. Let's see if I can get this neck part on now. I'm going to power the mask on, and I'm going to go to the blue lights because that's the treatment that I want. And I'm actually going to do it for 10 minutes to start out with because that is what is recommended. I'm going to increase the energy level up 1, so it's at 0.3 right now, and I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Like, this is literally it. The neck part is a little loose, so let's see if we can tighten it. Yeah, you can tighten the neck part, so now it fits me a little bit better. I will check back with you guys when my timer goes off. I will see you in 10 minutes. Alright, so my treatment went off. At the 10-minute mark, it completely just turned off the light, which is really cool. It's like a self-shutdown type of thing that happens. I'm trying to break it, so I guess I'm just gonna pull it over my head. I'm not quite sure how the neck, oh, there we go. So I guess you have to just pull it a little hard to get the neck part off. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and share some of my thoughts after using the mask for the first time. So it was very comfortable to have on. The mask was really easy. It was something that didn't require much effort. You literally just turn it on and you can go about your evening or day whenever you're doing this treatment, and it's no big deal. I can't really say that I've noticed any differences, but I wasn't expecting to notice any differences after the first use. I would maybe say after a week or so of consistent use, you would see the benefits of this mask coming through. So if you guys are interested in checking out this light mask, LED mask, then I will leave the link for the product in the description box below. Make sure you check Project E Beauty out. That is the end of my review of the Photon LED mask by Project E Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Make sure you guys leave me any questions in the comment section down below. Also take a look at the description box because everything you need from the products I mentioned throughout this video to the actual mask will be listed in the description box for you guys. If you liked this video, I'm going to ask that you give it a thumbs up. And until my next video, beauties, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.